Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Binance statement. First, log in to your Binance account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Wallet section on the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Transaction History to proceed. This is the initial step to access your financial records on the platform. Next, you'll need to filter your transactions. Use the date range selector to specify the period you want your statement to cover. You can also select particular transaction types, such as deposits, withdrawals, or trades, to narrow down the results. Applying these filters helps you find exactly what you need efficiently. Now it's time to generate your report. Look for the Export button, usually located near the filtered transaction list. Click it to initiate the download process. You'll typically have options for the file format, with CSV being a common choice. Confirm your selection, and the system will prepare your statement for download. Finally, access your downloaded statement. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You can then review all your transaction history, including dates, amounts, and types. Remember to save the file securely for your personal records or tax purposes. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.